Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming domain ownership and analytics access because that gives you reliable tracking. Once verified, connect your link shortener account. Next, decide routing rules, device, locale, or campaign so clicks resolve to the right destination. Now create a new smart link and paste your primary URL, then attach UTM parameters for source attribution. Make sure to save the draft. This initial setup prevents broken redirects and ensures metrics are captured from the first click. Once done with the basic link, you configure routing rules to send mobile users to the App Store and desktop users to the web page. This improves conversion. Then, embed UTM tags for campaign-level tracking and append tracking ID for attribution. You should enable server-side redirects to preserve link speed and support click caps or expirations to control traffic. Finally, run a dry test using multiple devices and browsers so you can confirm each rule fires correctly before wide distribution. To finish, perform thorough testing. Click the smart link from several devices, locations, and channels to confirm routing and analytics events. Make sure the link uses HTTPS, correct redirect type, 301 for permanent, 302 for temporary, and includes necessary CORS headers if used in apps. Once validated, publish and monitor real-time data for the first 24-72 hours to catch anomalies. If something breaks, clear caches, review rule priority order, and inspect server logs to pinpoint misconfigurations quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.